Hello and welcome to the OpalShop. Here we've got a little parcel with 3 boulder stones, 3 boulder opals, and here it is, the first stone I'm going to show you. A bit smaller, the smaller one in the pack. All the stones have been wetted to enhance their colours, and the rule is setting in the meters, so I can show you a bit of the size. So here's the first stone. It's quite nice, polished, and it's got a great shading, quite light on yellow and blue. It's thinner than the others and smaller. It can definitely be made into a pendant, just the way it is. If you ask me, I think it's lovely. Or you can recut and reshape it according to what you want. There's opal number 1, Boulder Opal number 2. It is just a smaller streak. I'm going to show you all around anyway. They all been recut and pre-shaped. So here is a little bit of opal, and the white's just a light reflection, but you can see the nice shade of green. Look at a different angle, you can see a little shades of blue into it. Yeah, the opals were basically on that area, and that's boulder number 2. Number 3, same. The opal is pretty much right at the top here. The color is quite lovely. This shade of white is actually from the opal, not the light. See the lights here. White shade of the opal here. So the opal is just basically on the tip of this boulder, tip of this rock, and it's thin cut. Got a little bit of colour here, but not quite as much as we used. And that's Boulder Opal number 3. That's a nice little parcel, and this is it. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.